What's up guys, my name is Vinner Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. I am in Singapore and today I am in the Singapore City Mall, which is in a Jalan Besar. Malls are everywhere nowadays. Even in India, in my city, there are more than 10 malls. But I want to know the products of the Singapore Mall and the reaction of the people. If the country people have a strong minimum wage, definitely everyone wants to shop in the mall. If you are working in a Singapore 50 for 3, it's not a bad deal at all. They are right, everything must go. It's just $18. Welcome to the sports category, which is very important for me. Look at this awesomely beautiful bicycle. And price is also good, it's just $240. Different categories of bike, I love these all colors. Sports shoes, the best thing about this mall is they have the good price as well as the customer rating option which says 4.2, 4.4. Fitness products, I'm a gym lover and I love these all products. Rods, belt, dumbbell plates, dumbbells. It's a 20 kg dumbbell, 10 kg, 30 kg, 40 kg, each and everything, you name it, they have it for the gym. I think if someone want to open the gym in Singapore, they can buy the products from this. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Different kinds of cycling machine in affordable price. Best thing about these malls in Singapore is people spend the time in a mall and buy the products, and that is why they have a lot of stuff. Even in Indian malls, most of the people don't want to buy the products from the mall because there is a price difference, but here in Singapore price is normal in a mall. Oh, it's a cricket bat. I'm a cricket lover. When I was a kid, my dream was to be the cricketer. And I think these bats are import from the India, and still the price is good. It's $130, which is 7,000 rupees. It's a good deal. I completed my century. Thank you for your support. Now these are the high range products. If you want to spend the money, and I think this is a good deal. It's a $1,300 bicycle, and the weight of bicycle is less than a 5 kg, but price is huge, $1,300. Japanese cartoon, they all are awesome. Oh, look at this, it's a restaurant and it's a food running tray. Look at this, the food is running on the tray. That is interesting. I vividly remember when I was in Japan, I spent a lot of the time in this gaming area. I love it. Even still, the process is same. You need to put the coin, play the game for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Actually, I'm talking about early 90s. It's 2018 and still the process is same. That is good. Look at this carefully. It's a game. They designed like it's under construction area. There is a JCB machine, sand, stoppage sign. The concept is the kid will sit in the JCB machine and put the sand or a ball in the bucket. Let's see. Oh, come on bro, you can do this. Yes, you can do this. Go man, go. Oh, it's okay bro, better luck next time. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you and your family.